Hello everybody, welcome to Ability Enhancement course, that is Mastering Office. So in this video I'm going to explain about macros. Okay, so here is a question. Describe the steps involved in creating a macro in Microsoft Word, including how will you record the macro, how will you edit the macro, and how you will use the macro. So let us see step by step how to create a macro and what is the need of macro. Why do we need macro? Need the macro to automate frequently used task. So frequently used task, again and again the same task. If you want to use instead of doing the same thing again and again, you can record it and you can assign some shortcut key or one shortcut button to that, and you can click that button or you can use that shortcut key. It will perform you that task. So let us see the question now. So here is the syllabus. For this I have framed the question. So this question I have included in the module 1 question we have seen. Module 2, in the previous video I have shown you how to do the mail merge. In this video we are seeing how to do the macro. So macro is 2B, you can say. In this 2B, describe the steps involved in creating a macro in MS Word, and including how to record a macro, how to edit a macro, and how to use a macro. Now let us see how to do this in Word. Open your MS document. Now I'll show you how to record a macro. First I'll write something here, like I'll write para 1, I'm writing para 2, para 3 I have written. Now I want to record something which I need frequently. Okay, let me save this. I'll give a macro example document. Okay, so where you want, for example, like say my document was here, I will just start recording. Okay, first you place the cursor at the beginning of your paragraph. I'll show you how to record. Now you have to go to view. In the view, select macro. In the macro, start macro. Once you click on start macro, it will ask you the name of the macro. I will give mac1, and you can create the shortcut button. Well, you have the shortcut button here like this. You will get one shortcut button here, or you can create the keyboard shortcut. I'll select the keyboard shortcut. So then it will ask you, you have to assign the shortcut key. For that I'll give Control Shift say I. I'll give Control Shift I. Okay, or you can see if it is already there, you can give something new, Control Shift M. I can give it. Okay, so now I will assign. I'll click on assign. Now I'll click on close. Now after this, what I'll do is I will get my cursor here. For example, I want 2 lines, something like this. I'll press enter. I want 2 more lines, something like this. So what I'll do is I'll just save it. Okay, I'll go to macro. I'll stop recording. I'll stop recording. Now you can see here. Now whenever we want macro, what position of the cursor was here, I'll place the cursor here. Now I'll use Control Shift and the shortcut key, whichever I have used. I'm pressing it. Like this, you will get the recordings. So this is how you can record a macro. And once you go to macro, you can view your macros. Once you click on this, you can view all your macros. You can select it. You can select the macro, and you can delete it, or you can edit. So you can pause while recording. You can pause. So this is how to record a macro, and you can use macro in MS Word. Thank you.